And we're back for another adventure here in the garage. Gonna do some media blasting, eh? Eh, Nate?
Oh yeah.
What do we got for supplies?
Let's see.
Show us what we got.
Finest sandblaster in all the land.
Oh yeah, if you know, you know.
If you know.
But if you don't know, it's from Harbor Freight, which is the cheapest place to buy tools, but occasionally they have some good stuff that actually works. So.
We got a inline
fancy
air water filter.
Yeah.
You got to keep that media dry so it blasts properly.
Very important.
Yep.
The thing looks like it was a lot more expensive than the top part.
Surprisingly not. It's like $5.
That's cool.
Harbor Freight also.
All right, what else we got? What are we shooting with?
Black diamond coal slag. It's the cheapest media you can buy. It looks like sand. It's not sand, but it looks like sand. Everything I read online said that this little guy prefers fine media.
All right, we're suiting up, or Nate's suiting up because we only have one mask at the time.
Safety. We need to fill this sucker first.
Because, you know, don't want to get that black lung from this fucking hole. These black diamond gold. This is also
fancy.
a review of the Central Matic, or whatever the brand name is. Media blaster.
Uh-oh.
That's a little much.
Wow. I think it's supposed to sift, but
Maybe you aren't supposed
maybe I don't know what that's for.
to. Maybe that's for finer stuff?
Finer than fine. Extra fine.
Yeah, what? For making tea.
Alright, well, we're just gonna send it.
Here, do you want to put your face mask on? You can try.
Alright, here goes. Where should we start?
Nate's gonna do one last piece until we get new respirators tomorrow, because yeah, the stuff is pretty messy. It doesn't look that bad, but it gets in your nose and your face and all up in there. All right, stay tuned for us to do more and bring this bike back to life. Hey, what up everyone? Welcome back. We got our respirators like we were talking about. So now it's time to do a little bit more spraying. what's up. We had a little malfunction.
Don't throw away the directions to the water separator before you put it on. We had it backwards and we're just blowing water all over the frame. So
yeah, it's starting to get a little clogged. So yeah, here we go. After fixing her up, had to make a little MacGyver situation, all these connections, but it works. Let's do it.
Kids, if you're gonna sandblast, get some proper eye protection. Even with this and a face shield, it's getting right in my eye. You've been warned.
And we're back to finish up this video, or to sum up what we learned from this experience. It definitely did the job. It got the rust off, which is what we were wanting. It did take a little more time than we were wanting, and it was a little messy. Yeah, Nate, you got any other?
Messier than you think it's gonna be. Took a long time. Uses a lot of sand, so try to try to recapture it if you can somehow. Overall, pretty impressed with that Harbor Freight gun, and yeah, it did what we wanted it to do for cheap.
Yeah, we still have like a little bit that we're gonna get just touched up, but the next step will be a little bit of paint, then start throwing her back together.
Bend it around.
Overall though, this thing looks 1,000 times better than it did when we started. Definitely recommend. So yeah, so thanks again. Stay tuned, subscribe, hit that notification bell, let other people know about the fun shenanigans we get into, and stay tuned for more fun.